Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got this Polestar TRX. As you can see, it's a newer casting for 2025 and it's by Hot Wheels. If I'm not wrong, this isn't an actual truck or vehicle, it's rather a design study. I think they did some, where a lot of designers were involved. They submitted different design and then this was the winner. And Hot Wheels decided to make a diecast out of it. So I don't have a reference to the real vehicle because it doesn't exist. So I'm gonna open up and see what the details are there and let you know. So here is the TRX out of its box, and the first thing you will notice is the shape. It's very different. You don't see anything like this on the road. It does remind me of a Cybertruck a little bit. I don't know why. Since we are on the side, you can see it's got massive wheels. This looks like some vents, I don't know, and this design which looks like a spaceship. Let's move to the front. Up front, you can see it's an off-road vehicle. You have a big skid plate here. You do have these headlamps, which is like LED bars, just like what you see on the Cybertruck, I guess. You do get the Polestar badge. You do have this cockpit kind of design with seats inside. Let me do this if you can see. I don't see any steering wheel or anything. Might be because it's a futuristic vehicle, so might have some different controls. You can see Polestar written there on the top. It does have these which look like mirror, but I'm sure these are not mirror. These might be cameras which then display everything inside. Apart from that, you do have a bed which houses these two keyboards, number 1, number 2. I'm assuming it's keyboards, might be something else too, something futuristic, I don't know. It does have the spoiler, so good details here. I know whoever did the design, it's a very futuristic design. Has a tail lamp which goes like a full bar. Again, a lot of vehicles these days have tail lamp like that. And even the rear, you can see it's very off-roading based design, so you have like metal skid plate in the back too, I guess. And it looks identical on both the sides. I don't see any difference. I don't know where the doors are, or maybe this entire thing opens up. I'm not sure. Not on this Hot Wheels though. So overall, well, it's a design study, and I would say it's a nice job by Hot Wheels. Like, they did something you don't expect. You don't expect to do this. But it again looks good, looks nice. I think it's a good casting for 2025. That's all for the day. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.